What's up, Bender fam?
This is Steven and Dylan with Trailbenders Overland.
We're at Overland Expo West 2019.
In this video, we're going to do a trailer comparison between the 3 TuffStuff trailers.
Let's check them out. All right, let's start with the Extreme Terrain trailer from TuffStuff. This one is my personal favorite and the one that I've spent the most time with. This is going to be your rugged, trail-ready, go-anywhere option. You can put up to 35-inch tires, and it's a little bit lighter, weighing in at 1,100 pounds, which will be easier to tow for your Jeeps, 4Runners, Xterra, and your mid-size SUVs. And as you can see, this is a much more off-road friendly hitch over your traditional ball hitch. It'll give you a lot more articulation, and the other benefit to this is due to the fact that it's not as common of a hitch, you're less likely to have it stolen when you leave the trailer at camp. And over here is your kitchenette. Not far from your propane, you have a complete slide out where you can put your camp stove and also have plenty of space for utensils and spices. Now this is also upgradable with an optional, more complete kitchen from TuffStuff. And you can see this trailer has independent suspension with an optional second shock on each side. Stock 31-inch tires with the option to go up to 35. Pretty cool. Let's check out the back. Now this is probably my favorite part of this. We have a rear swing out tire carrier, perfect for your trasharoo. Now inside, this is your blank canvas. You can do anything in here. We have 2 full slides. You can put your fridge, your gear, anything you want back here. And this trailer is outfitted with a 4x6 awning. You can put your Rotopacks on here, and it has the Delta 2-person TuffStuff rooftop tent. And on this side, we have more Rotopacks. We have access to your storage that runs full width through the trailer. And we have front storage as well, where you can put your gear, you put your tent cover. There's also a parking brake. Now that you've seen my favorite, the Extreme Terrain, let's check out the Basecamp with Steven.
Alright guys, now this is my personal favorite, the Basecamp. This is your Ritz-Carlton of the Overland world. Let's check it out. So as you can see, this has the same awesome hitch as your Extreme Terrain trailer, and then also has your parking brake. Starting in the front here, you notice that it has a big storage compartment. This is pretty much for your gear or your trailer cover. Just behind your propane storage, you have your first compartment. Here you're going to notice your pump switch, your light switch, and it also has your 110 volt power socket. This drawer right here is pretty much used for your spices or any of your camp utensils. Just below that, you're going to have these locking drawer style slide outs that's going to have your sink and also your built-in camp stove. As you can see, they're all stainless steel appliances, which is a definite plus. And this is your prep station. Gives you extra and ample amount of counter space. And as you can see, this thing just has ample amount of storage. So back here, you're gonna notice your 55-quart TuffStuff fridge freezer. Also, it's gonna have your light switches, your fan switches, and then 2 12-volt sockets. This trailer is equipped with your 6x8 foot awning. Also, it has your 5-person elite rooftop tent. On this side, you're gonna have 2 identical storage compartments as you have on the other side. Now this compartment has a lot going on here. You have your power switch here. You have your meters, your voltage, your current, your power. Over here, you'll notice your AC voltage, your inverter switch, your solar switch, your light switches, 110 volt power socket, and then your water gauge. This thing is equipped with a 100 amp hour battery and is solar ready. Up front, you have your fuel storage, your outdoor sink, and stabilizer arms, front and rear. This trailer has 31-inch tires, independent suspension, and mounts for secondary shocks. You also have your outdoor slide-out drawer. All right, now since you've seen my personal favorite, the Basecamp, let's head over to Tim and check out the Expedition trailer.
This is Tim with Trailbenders Overland. Let's check out the newest to the lineup, the Expedition trailer. Up front, you have your standard trailer hitch, your power hookup, and in here, you've got a little storage compartment for your tools. Here we have your spare tire and your spare tire holder, and your side door to your storage compartment. This trailer comes equipped with a 31-inch tire, but is upgradable to a 35-inch tire. Also hosts a solid axle. This trailer also comes equipped with a tailgate, supported by gas-powered shocks and safety cables. This trailer is unique because it's a hinged pop top supported by gas-powered shocks. What's cool about this trailer is it has a blank canvas for your build out. You can put in dividers, you can put in sliders, or you can even sleep it. This trailer is equipped with a 6x8 awning and a Delta 2-person rooftop tent.
That's the complete lineup of the TuffStuff trailers. Head over to their website, TuffStuff4x4.com, and use the coupon code TBO19 for 10% off the entire website.
If you guys like this video, hit that like button. Consider being part of the Bender fam and smashing that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell because you'll be notified when we release new content. This is Steven,
Dylan,
Tim,
with Trail Benders Overland. Out.